Ladies and gentlemen, if you are wondering what a Form 8862 is, I'm going to jump straight in and break it down for you. So let's go. The first thing you want to do is know that you can do everything through Intuit TurboTax. So they absolutely are the very best. So I'm on their homepage now. And if you're wondering what this form is, if you're a taxpayer, you will have to complete the Form 8862 and attach it to your tax returns under these special conditions. So first of all, if you've earned income tax credit, if you have child tax credit, additional child tax credit, credit for other dependents, or an American opportunity credit, and if it was reduced or disallowed for any other reason than a mathematical or a clerical error, then you will be able to fill in this 8862 form. So if you've claimed one or more of these credits before and it was denied, then make sure that you can now reapply for that very same credit. You'll need to fill out the form. So we're going to go, and there's two ways to do it. If you're jumping into your TurboTax account, you can go up to the search bar up at the top right hand side. Over here, you are literally just going to dial in 8862, and you will get the extension over here. So we can just go Form 8862. You'll get an extension to jump to that section in your account. Now, this is not the time to do it in the year, so there is no extension currently, but it will say jump to Form 8862, and you'll have a small questionnaire. You'll be able to fill that out, and you'll be advised as to how to go about it. So the second alternative way to do it is going into irs.gov, and this is their homepage. Again, up at the top, you're going to just type in 8862 and you're going to hit enter. Now what happens here is you'll get search results, and right from the top it says about Form 8862, information to claim certain credits after disallowance. So once you tap on that, you will actually see over here that there are instructions for the form. You can print the instructions, and then you can actually go ahead and download the 8862 form straight from here, and you can then fill it out and send it back. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.